Hi everyone, I'm Anand. Recently, I have attended the Laracon India 2026 event in Ahmedabad, and it was really a great experience to connect with the Laravel community like developers, business partners, and business owners. We also interacted with the users of our open source solutions like Bagisto, Krayin CRM, UnoPIM, and Orius ARP and captured their real-time feedback. So let's hear directly from them.
Hi everyone, this side Anand. So today we have Rajan with us. So Rajan is already using Bagisto. Okay, so let's have some discussion with him. So hi Rajan, how are you doing?
Yeah. Hi. Myself Rajan and attending the Laracon India 4 consecutive times. And same, I'm excited to discuss with Webkul team for Bagisto.
So how's your experience this time over the Laracon event?
Yeah, it's amazing and like the venue and the way the Laracon and other sponsors are excited to launch the new products and new package library. So yeah, and same as Bagisto is are doing the best in recent so far. So yeah, very excited for this event, definitely.
So can you please let us know about Bagisto experience of yours?
Yeah, Bagisto experience I start on the 2024th to be frank, because on that time our companies are planning to launch the new e-commerce products.
Okay.
But the way we are requirement is like instantly is configurable. Main thing is based on the must is Laravel-based. So at least easy for us for a maintainable and get the required feature. So that time we are straightforward, get the idea of the Bagisto. We quite get the nice experience, like easy to deploy, easy to configurable, nice user interface and everything. So yeah, that time we configure working well, and the same way sometimes is are required some help is definitely is are available through community. So yeah, it's a nice experience overall.
So any one feature that stand out for you in terms of Bagisto?
First of all is instantly deployment. I like the way because you are easily available on site. Like you just download this package, you just run it, just ask some basic questions, and these are easy to deploy. So and nice documentation as well, and like nowadays your documentations are improving so lot.
Yeah, correct.
So yeah, definitely this is a good way for us and it's a nice choice for us, and definitely I recommend.
Okay, first we just want to know, tell us about yourself and what you are doing actually.
Okay, so basically I in one project I need to e-commerce website for a client. That time I find some solution which will may help me to deliver in timeline, and the timeline is too short. So I search on the Google and find the Bagisto package, and then I will install it and doing all the stuff, all the resources kind of things in the Bagisto. It's built in, made in, right? Like for example, making a product or categories and etc, whichever the resource we required for an e-commerce website, it is already in the Bagisto. So this package will help me to make that website complete for my client in a given timeline.
Okay, so any challenges have you faced in Bagisto?
Yeah, because that time there are not AI, that time I use, so I find some challenges too, but when I Google it, and I also chat with the Bagisto's support team, and then I will got the solution over.
So does this give any impact to your project, any client?
Yeah. Basically, if that package is not there, then it's hard to make that project in a timeline that time, because I used it 3 years ago, but it's really helped me to complete that project.
Okay, any feedback you want to give to Bagisto, like anything we can improve?
Yeah. Whenever you require you can use the Bagisto. I have also give the one suggestion in the early morning that if you can make some customization thing, right? For example, in a front end side, making the page builder kind things in either in a Bagisto or either in a different product, then it would be better to handle all that.
So as we got to know that you are already using Bagisto, so can you please provide your feedback to us?
Actually, I am exploring for open source, like in a WordPress, many e-commerce plugins are there. That's why I'm just searching that for the Laravel, for the core Laravel. I got Bagisto in a Google search, and I use for my client also, and the configuration and setting and the versatility. You can make a flexible application on it. It's a wonderful thing. As a setup is very fast and smooth, and all the features are very good.
So before using Bagisto, what challenges you have faced that you overcome with Bagisto?
Yeah, right. I just want to be create a rapidly application. That's why I'm using a Bagisto, and I just realized that this is very fast and very reliable for the developers.
So what are your next steps in terms of business enhancement using with Bagisto?
Actually, that's all a project are for the client, not for me. That's why I'm just, when the requirements comes with us, I definitely use Bagisto.
Can you please let us know about your feedback about Krayin CRM?
Yeah, so basically now it's been an year I'm using Krayin, and then I'm very satisfied with the dashboard and all the features what we have, like how it's managing the leads, how it's getting the leads. And the most usable feature is I'm using is that dynamic forms. So let's say you have a website and then you want to create a dynamic form and then you want to use it on, let's say, Facebook ad or Google ads. You can just directly create a form. It will give you a link and then you can just paste it over there, and which helps you to drive the traffic, and then from there you can easily get the leads. And then you can track the leads in whole journey with Kanban boards or just a generic table view method. So that whole feature I really liked. So, and then of course on top of it we have webhooks, we have AI integrations. So it's all cool.
So that's really impressive. So how you came to know about Krayin CRM?
So mostly I am using Bagisto, and then from there we need to collect leads and all the things. So I just started searching on Google what are the alternatives I can use for leads and all. I have many solutions, but and then I stick to Krayin, and then it's really good. I'm very satisfied with this.
Thank you very much. So what challenges you have faced previously with other platform that you decided to switch over Krayin CRM solution?
Yeah, so the main challenges what I face is like they are not user friendly. So let's say if you want to build something for your daily, and then the most of stuff is like non-technical. They don't know how to do and what to do. So here, since we have Kanban board, they can just easily drag and then it will be really easy. So other platforms have little very complex things, need to go with little bit inside and then add here. But in Krayin you can just do it from one page. That's the more powerful thing what I have.
So hello, we are in Laracon 2026 and I am here at the Webkul and we are using Bagisto store for a few of the clients, and they are very happy because it is very lightweight, very easy to manage from the back end, from front end as well. And of course for the medium size project, you can consider the Bagisto is a good open source platform.
Can you please let us know some of your feedback regarding Bagisto?
Yes, we are using Bagisto for e-commerce project, and it is very useful and easy to customize. So yeah, we are happy to use that. Also, it's SEO friendly, so our time actually saves at that part also.
So how you came to know about Bagisto?
Through actually previously I'm Magento developer, so I know so many packages and that's why I came to know about Bagisto, and I refer that for our current project, and we use that.
So previously what challenges you have faced that brings you to switch over Bagisto?
Actually yes, I do some customizations because of our requirements, not for your part. So yeah, that's okay for us.
How about like the extension that you have used related to Magento and Webkul extension? So how was your experience and what kind of like challenges were you faced, or like was it appraised by your clients? Or so you are the developer, right?
Yes, yeah. So I have used the marketplace extensions.
Marketplace extension.
So like we have, it is quite, we can say the performance was good.
Performance was good. So may I know like the approximate how many number of sellers were there in that marketplace? Maybe an approximate figure.
I guess 200, 300. Sorry.
200 vendors
Yeah.
was there. Okay, and okay, that's good to know. So that was the client India based or overseas? India.
We have clients.
Okay, that was an India based client. Okay, that's great to know. And see, how about the like vendor registration experience in that module? So whenever like vendor was
We have also customized on
top of the marketplace. Okay, you have already customized the marketplace extension on top of. Okay, so what kind of like customization things have you done over there, like related to vendor, related to
So personally I built some B2B network module. So it was like, so
I guess Webkul doesn't provide network type of view. So I can that's it can only you can add only service. So there is I have built a network on customers can be added on particular sellers network. So I have customized.
Okay, so customer was communicating with the sellers by using the network module that you build on top of the marketplace. That's good to know.
I used open source Webkul open source ERP, and it's very amazing and very easy to use and customizable plugin. So you can consider for your enterprise level ERP. I use Bagisto package, 1 or 2 clients. It's easy to build. I just build in like 1 or 2 days. It's just for like non-government projects. So it's open source and it's free. So this is really good.